To talk to someone in a friendly and informal way.
Chat. Chat.
We were just chatting about what we did last weekend.
Someone whose job is to show visitors a place or area.
Tour guide. Tour guide. Our tour guide explained the church's history.
The official organization that makes people obey the law and that protects people and places against crime, or the people who work for this organization.
Police. Police.
The police are investigating him.
A request to make, supply or deliver food or goods.
Order. Order.
Has the waiter taken our order yet?
A set of clothes worn for sport.
Kit. Kit.
Football kit.
To have a conversation with someone who is online at the same time as you are by typing messages.
Chat. Chat.
We were chatting till well past midnight.
A book that gives visitors information about a particular place.
Guidebook. Guidebook. A guidebook to or about Venice.
A picture produced using a camera.
Photograph. Photograph.
A color or black and white photograph.
A friendly, informal conversation.
Chat. Chat.
Give me a call and we'll have a chat sometime.
A piece of furniture with a door on the front and shelves inside used for storing things.
Cupboard. Cupboard.
A kitchen cupboard.
A clock that you can set to wake you up at a particular time with a loud noise.
Alarm clock. Alarm clock. My alarm clock went off at 5:00.
A television station.
Channel. Channel.
The news on Channel 4.
To ask for food, goods, etc.
Order. Order.
I ordered some pasta and a mixed salad.